Yung mga startup companies po, kahit from zero talaga sila, gina-guide namin sila para makapag-start ng
So
business.
anybody na gustong
Opo.
pasukin to, kahit walang background.
Opo. Kahit high school graduate, kahit driver, from zero talaga po. Mga engineer, contractor, OFW, seaman. Actually, i-double check nyo muna yung business namin. May mga free training naman po kami sa Balagtas, Bulacan. May mga free orientation kami, meron kami mga plan tour po. Gina-guide namin. Tignan nyo muna kung maganda talaga yung business. Kasi nandito naman po, willing naman po kami na i-assist namin kayo. At hindi lang basta yung sinabi na create, na build, pati yung sustainability. Ang gusto
Yun
namin,
ang importante, sustainability.
kasi syempre, na-training namin kayo. O saan namin kayo dadalhin? Gusto namin, magtagal kayo sa ganitong negosyo at matulungan din namin kayo sa mga project. Actually, full support namin yan.
This plan, because of my partner's vision, palakpakan natin partner ko. He works very hard for this. This is not just a simple development. This is a multi-billion development. No? So we work very hard in a very fast pace.
Available na po ang agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Alright, so dito tayo sa MOA Complex, dito particularly sa 4E-Com Center at meron tayong bibisitahin. Dito tayo sa One Sky Haro. Kung naalala nyo, yung Wendell's Cafe na paborito natin sa Tanay. Yan, si Sir Roy Herbias. Pupuntahan natin siya. Let's go!
Dati kasi ni-import namin lahat ng profiles eh.
Yan.
So, during the pandemic, doon namin naisip na we have to have our own aluminum extrusion or aluminum factory. So we create the aluminum billet going to aluminum profile. Isa-isahin natin.
Sige, sir.
So ito yung makikita, yung layman's term ko.
Yes, please.
Yung makikita natin sa mga building. So, bahay, building, iba-iba. So, this one is the casement type. Pasok tayo. Diba? Actually, maraming suppliers, marami kaming customers that we use this kind of materials for mid-rise building. So, we have this also, unique.
Oh, galing.
The blinds is inside the glass.
Wow.
So you can pull it up. Di ba yung blinds na normal, nasa labas lang siya. But this one, sa loob. So this is for normally used in offices.
Wow.
Kasi normally yung blinds masasagi mo, masisira eh. So this one is inside. Have you seen this like this before, Sir Buddy?
Aminin ko first. Kaya ako pero yeah.
So
It's a new product, sir.
actually, yeah, here in our country, but in abroad, medyo matagal na rin to. Yeah. Okay. That's one of our special
So
products.
kumbaga pinagsama-sama mo na
Yes.
kasi it's a showroom nga.
Opo. Bifolding doors. So bifolding doors, if you have place to have a huge place, pwede siya i-open. Yan, Sir Buddy. So pwede siya i-open. And then the area, you have a large. You have a opening of almost 98%. Ang opening mo. Normally sa bahay, from your dining, going to your
Lanay.
alfresco, your lanay. Yan. Sir Buddy, ito siguro, yan. Frost. Now you see, now you don't, now you see. Yan. So, it's a remote control. Wow. So, if you want to frost it, just switch it on. Off. Off yung clear.
Oo.
On. Off.
Paano nangyari yan?
Yeah. So, it's a smart glass. Normally used in boardroom. Try mo, Sir Buddy. Yan. Pwede natin gawin yan sa office mo.
Wow.
Pag gusto mo privacy, the other button. Yan. Nakakita ka na dati nito?
Grabe.
Opo.
Sa CR yan, sir.
Yeah. We did a lot of projects nito before in mostly mga boardroom. In hospitals, nurseries, you know. Even in residentials, we have yung shower enclosure nila. One of the client wants their shower enclosure. Frost. Parang laruan.
Congratulations.
Yes. Pare, bisitahin mo to sa
Hello po.
si Buddy sa agribusiness. How it
okay,
works. Bisitahin mo rin siya sa pabisita ko siya doon sa Farmo restaurant mo.
Oo, sige.
He's in Victoria, Laguna. Yeah.
Opo, sir.
Yan.
Thank you,
He's
sir.
my friend, partner also. Si Joyce.
Pero lalaki.
Siya si Sir Buddy sa agribusiness, how it works. Yung,
Anong ginagawa niyo po?
yung sa YouTube, yung sa log.
More than one.
Send kasi
Fishing,
yung-
farms,
yeah.
ganyan.
Siya yung endorser ng Windows. Sir Buddy, this is our glass samples produced by our partner also, si Translucent Glass, tempered in Bulacan. So this is his products. So all types of glass, we do tempering, and they are the largest glass tempering size na nakapag-tempered ng more than 8 meters long. Kaya siya buo, up to 8 meters. So, ito pa tayo, Sir Buddy. Tingnan mo, Sir Buddy, So, this is one of our latest developed panel doors. This is TSD door. This is seamless, no? So, TSD Slimline door series. So, it's frosted glass. So, this is slim type. This can be used sa offices, residentials, because of its design. Maganda yung design niya, manipis. So, kung titingnan mo, slimline. And then the hardware, if you can see the hardware, it's a magnetic type. Gusto ko lang makita ito, Sir Buddy, kasi yung mga classic na latches, may lumalabas dyan, no? Ito, if you close it, it's locked. So, if you open it, yan, parang pag may magnet siya dyan, tapos saka siya.
Saka lang siya
Yeah. Oo. Maganda to sa office kasi it's elegant, no? So, ayun, Sir Buddy.
Ito mga uso, sir.
Yeah, oo. Kasi ngayon, yung mga designers, they want the slimmer version of aluminum Yung mga classic kasi, yung mga malalaki. So, we developed the system, we designed the profile to fit the interior designer's requirement. Maraming options.
So, most of your clients, mga designers?
Yeah, iba-iba.
Pati
Designers,
mga
homeowners, developers. So, we have the distributors also, yung mga glass and aluminum. So, we support them with our different products. Yung innovation namin, we share it to them. Yun yung kagaya yung sabi ko, mahirap pag yung nagbe-business ka ng aluminum na you are lack of resources na materials You cannot compete. So, One Sky Haro created this hub. They created the factory to support those requirements. So, this one is the glass railing. Glass and aluminum railing. This is aluminum. It looks like a wood, but it's aluminum. Yung araw, di ba, mga gamit sa labas, they have the railing, but they use wood. So yung wood, through time, nag-fade, nag-warp. So this one, it's aluminum. And it's a system. So matibay. Okay? So this is our incubation room. This is where you can see the evolution of aluminum from first generation. The first generation, I mean, this is a second generation already, the 798 series. The first generation is the SD section, ASW, nung araw. So we don't have that display anymore. But the second generation is this one, the sliding. The 798, the 900 series. And the third generation or the fourth generation is the HT132. This door.
Sir. This one?
Yes, this one. This is heavy duty already, no? And this is locally manufactured.
Wow!
Dito na, no? Doon sa factory na in San Simon. So with the screen is nung araw yung screen natin, yung parang aluminum or sumunod yung carbon. Pag may pusa ka kasi sa carbon, pag ginanon, may mapupunit eh. But this one, this is hard mesh. And a security screen as well. Yeah. Nung araw, di ba, pag ginanon mo lang, may kutsilyo ka, ganun mo, punit na siya eh. No? So, ito ngayon yung hot cake namin. This is the most saleable right now, the HT132 by One Sky Haro. So, it's a multi-lock system na rin siya. Yeah. So, we call this incubator room kasi nandito lahat. And we customize our body,
Yes, sir.
This one, kung magtataka ka bakit naka-cross section siya, no? You can see the middle.
Ito.
The cross section of the aluminum. So you can see that, no? Iba-iba. This is to showcase the thickness, the thickness of the glass, the thickness of the aluminum, the innovation what we did. So this is the cross section of HT132. This door. So kung makikita mo, ang lalaki So we develop according to the designer's choice or according to the designer's design. Kung halimbawa sa mga big projects like high-rise building, so if they want to extrude their aluminum, so we follow the design. Kasi there are, di ba, kung merong architect to design the whole house or the whole building, there's also a designer for facade. We call it facade designer. So kung ano yung specs ng facade designer, we can follow according to his specs. And we manufactured it in our aluminum extrusion.
So kung may sarili siyang design,
gagawin
nyo yun for them?
Gagawin namin for them. Exclusive for them.
Wow.
There's a die for that. Normally, if it's big projects, so kanila lang yung die na yun. But of course, meron naman tayong available naman na kung gusto talaga na they will use our design na available, like 45 series, we have that, the J69. So they can use that naman if they were going to approve it.
Sir Roy,
Yes.
diba, you've been in this business for long time, diba?
Yeah, it's
And
28 years.
So 28 years, ibig
Yeah.
sabihin,
I'm-
ever since talagang you
Yeah.
import the materials, the aluminum.
There's a local manufacturer naman, but they produce before only the first generation and the second generation. Although they produce some of the aluminum na specified by the architects, I mean by the facade designer, but we cannot use that. They are exclusive for them.
Yeah.
So yung ginagawa ko, pupunta pa ako ng China. Doon ako magpapa-design, doon ako magpapa-extrude. So mahirap sa part ng glass and aluminum owners na pupunta pa siya sa abroad eh. Eh ngayon, pag nag-business siya ng aluminum or kung meron na siyang existing, punta lang siya dito sa amin, pakita niya lang doon sa designer niya kung ma-approve o hindi. If hindi ma-approve, if they have the requirements, we can do that for him, for them. We can design.
So yung other builders, instead na lumabas din, hindi na.
Ah, yeah.
Kayo yung first na factory, sir?
I'm not saying we're the first, no, na factory, but maybe we are the first na we open our profile to the public.
Yeah.
I mean, to those who needs our aluminum. Kasi dati nung araw, tinatago yung design eh.
Aha.
Hindi pwede gamitin eh. Kasi hindi, akin to eh. Business ko to eh.
Oo.
So ako lang eh. Well, in fairness naman kasi nag-invest naman talaga sila doon. But for us as a manufacturer, we innovate. We open this profile to anyone to support their projects. Kasi kailangan kumita din, tulungan din natin yung mga glass and aluminum. Eh. Although we have Alumpreneur Institute, parang school yun siya eh. So we teach proper way of fabrication, installation. So parang advocacy na rin namin to help Filipino people. Marami nagtitraining, Sir Buddy, mga OFW. Yung magre-retire na sila, so they're looking for a business, 'di ba? Nakita ko sa farm. 'Di ba? Sa farm minsan gusto nila mag-farming. So yung iba naman technical naman kasi sila. So pwede nila i-adapt itong business. Marami na. May OFW na mga yumaman.
So, pwede rin kayong lapitan ng mga
Of course.
OFW na
Oo,
viewers natin.
pwede. We have one extractor na nandyan siya, si Chris. Siya talaga yung in charge sa Alumpreneur Institute. But I'm the one who did the lesson plan. Partly, ginawa ko yon kasi nung araw nga, nung bata pa ako, helpless eh. I need to study eh. So, paano ka mag-study? Hindi ka naman pwede magtanong sa competitor mo. Paano yung aluminum niyan? Paano yun? Hindi, tuturo yun, Sir Buddy. So, what I did, pumunta talaga ako sa abroad. Isip, wala pang sure. Siyempre, hirap eh. China, pupunta ka doon, different suppliers. Pagdating dito, mali-mali pa. Balik na naman ulit doon. So, what we did for this, kung ano yung hirap ko before as glass and aluminum na ginawa namin dito. One-stop shop. We can help all the technicalities. If it's huge project, we have consultant naman na itatap to them para lang the project makuha nila. So our interest there is, of course, we will the one to supply the aluminum for them. They could fabricate it, they could install it. So pwede naman kami mag-fabricate, prefab. So yun.
So, less hassle sa
Opo.
part nila.
Meron nga nag-training siya. So 1 week yung training eh. May certificate na siya. Natuto. May bit-bit siyang sample, dinala niya lang doon sa tito-tita niya. He gets the contract worth 5 million. He bought it from us 3 million.
Wow.
O may 2 million siya. Ngayon ganun lang eh. So we help him to fabricate. We fabricate it. So sa installation naman, hinanapan namin siya ng kapartner niya para mag-install. O may kita siya. Sabi mo, 1.5, 2 million.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else, sir?
Oo.
Siguro, sana mabisit din namin yung factory.
Yeah. Ito sir, pakita ko yung factory. Yeah. So, this is our 40 hectares facility, which is ngayon, nasa phase 1 kami. Phase 1 is the one who will supply the local market. It's 12 lines of factory, 12 lines of extrusion. So that's around 30 warehouses. So it caters our demand here locally. And the phase 2,
Kalaki, sir, yung demand locally.
yes po. We provide 100,000 metric tons per month. Yeah. So the second phase will be US market, which we're going to start it by the exportation will start on third quarter this year. So our materials is coming from the scrap. So it's a recycled material. Kasi nung araw kasi mining eh. So from the natural So ngayon because of the LEED requirement, yung mga bagong construction requirements that your material should be coming from recycled material. So that's why we have the smelting plant. Smelting plant is the one who, tinutunaw niya Pagkatunaw, magiging billets, and that's the time gagawin siyang aluminum profile. So, ang maganda, it's a recyclable material from Japan.
From Japan.
Yes.
Yung material.
The scrap material is coming from Japan kasi hindi kaya ng local scrap natin to sustain. And the quality, of course.
Hindi kayo mauubusan?
Hindi naman nauubusan, but of course, nasa yellow lane kasi minsan yung demands malakas eh. So, ngayon, we are contacting some suppliers in US, in India, for the scrap. So, that's our challenge. Pero kaya naman.
Gaano kalaki yung business na to, sir?
Sorry?
How big is this business?
Maliit lang, Sir Buddy. Baka may BIR ka nakikinig.
Okay.
Maliit lang.
Sige.
Joke.
Ito yung name nyo no, way back, long time ago.
Yes,
Ito talaga
yes.
yung company name.
My partner is One Sky and I'm Haro. So we merged together. As we name it as One Sky Haro. So dalawa kami. So, yun.
Parehas kayo ng business before.
Before we were used to competitors.
Competitors. Ngayon, uso talaga yung alliance ngayon.
Yes, the
Hindi
alliance.
na uso ang competition.
Alliance talaga. Tama yun, nauso yung alliance. Actually, alliance, ginagamit naman yan dati pa during time pa ng 1800s sa France eh. Alliance di ba? Alliances ng country. Tama. So yun, sometimes you could visit there kasi may mga magga-garden din kami dyan eh.
Talaga?
Green home eh. Yeah. May mga areas dyan eh. At magkakaroon din ng windows dyan, Sir Buddy. Dito. Kasi commercial area to eh.
So ano po to? Highway no?
Highway to. Commercial area to.
Okay.
So dito yung window.
Anong San Simon going to San Fernando?
Yes. There's an exit, di ba? San Simon exit. So, nandun. Malapit lang siya sa toll gate, siguro mga 3 kilometers. 3 or 4. Very convenient eh.
Puro tubig yun.
It's before, farmland, yung mga rice field. Pero yung mababa dun, hindi dito sa amin kasi actually nagtambak kami dito ng mga 3 meters eh. From higher than the national road. 3 meters, imagine. Yung tinambak namin doon. Pero yung baha, wala naman dito. Doon banda sa doon sa area, kabila. Tama
so,
ka,
to, sir,
water.
na to lahat?
Nasa 70%, 80%. Oo, alas build na rin. Puno na eh. Yung phase 3 namin, sa likod na part yan eh. Pero the 13 hectares, puno na ng warehouse yun. Lahat doon na ginagawa eh, hardware, pati yung hardwares, yung mga mechanism, pati yung sealant, doon na rin ginagawa. So, all local. Proudly local made.
Grabe. Pag naririnig natin, most of the businesses lagi import.
Yeah.
Pero this time, kayo mag-export.
Yes.
Gaano malaking challenge yan, sir?
Challenge? So, siyempre, every day, you have to work 16 hours. Ang dami mo kailangan na sikasuin din. From, of course, yung target markets mo, yung program ng sales and marketing. At least yung partner ko, nandito siya sa back support with the plant. So, madami. You have to deal with siyempre, factory, you have to deal with the DNLR. You have to comply. Malaking challenge. It's not an easy job. Kaya nga mukhang parang gusto ko na lang mag-farmer.
Paano mo nagagawa yun? You still have other businesses like Windell's Cafe.
Ang Windell's, naman yan eh. Pampatanggal stress sa tanay.
Pampatanggal stress pa lang yan.
Parang ikaw din. Neighbor tayo doon. May farm ka rin. Yun na yung pang-retirement, yung Windell's farm.
Okay.
Tsaka yung restaurant. But this is our main business talaga. My main business. Nabuo lang namin yung Windell's na yun during pandemic.
Yeah.
Kasi wala akong ginagawa, Sir Buddy. Nakita mo, pag wala akong ginagawa, mabilis ako eh. Initiate
Super
agad
bilis ka eh.
Opo. So Windows right now, it's a huge malaki na rin si Windows.
Oo.
Yeah, sobra. And very successful.
Yeah, meron kang another restaurant doon sa tabi ng Wendell's, yung
Yeah, in
Dapog.
Dapog, yeah.
Dapog,
And we're
yeah.
going to open one restaurant in Tanay
Tanay.
Town. Going Pililla naman yun.
Ah.
Yeah. So we have the Windows Bed and Breakfast, we have the Windows Farm, we have the Dapog,
Mountain Lodge.
Mountain Lodge. Yeah. My son naman, yung my son's the one taking care of it.
Ah.
Oo. Soon, baka dito sa Mall of Asia, magbukas kami ng isang Windows.
Dito, sa
Opo. Oo. Tingnan lang muna. Medyo pahinga muna, recover muna.
By the way, sir, itong showroom ay intended for designers, contractors, pwede rin homeowners.
Yeah.
What else? Sino yung mga...
We also cater to those who want to do business with glass and aluminum. Yeah. Yun yung alumpreneur. If they want to learn about how to do the glass and aluminum business, they will enroll in alumpreneur. So, I can introduce you later kay Chris para sa mga viewers ni Sir Buddy na gusto mag-negosyo, no? Ng glass and aluminum business. Pakilala ko sila kay Chris. Or pwede mo siya interview mamaya.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung programa ng alumpreneur. So, para makita ng mga viewers mo. Kasi ang dami, kasi nakita ko puro lahat OFW na mga bumalik. Yeah. So, and they're doing good. Kasi siyempre, ang puhunan nila sa amin, hard-earn eh. Wala naman silang puhunan talaga ilalabas eh. Yun lang yung enroll nila, matuto. And then, once they have the client, that's the time they will purchase naman from us. Parang reseller muna. Reseller. At least may profit naman.
Okay, Sir Roy, last, bigyan mo naman kami ng matinding tip ba? How to become a very good, successful entrepreneur.
Sir Buddy, madami kang magagaling na ini-interview eh. Siguro sa akin, hindi siya pinakamagaling. Siguro hard work. Hard work. I work, 16 hours a day. I wake up 4 a.m. To do my documents. It's all about hard work eh. And perseverance. Never sumuko. Lahat naman may hard challenges along the way. Every day may challenges. Every day. So, wag lang susuko, walang titigil.
Manageable ba yung mga challenges?
Yeah, through time naman because of the experience siguro sa 28 years in business. Lahat ng klaseng problema nadaanan na rin natin. Hindi naman lahat, no, pero through that masusolve naman eh. And there are people naman na supportive sa atin that we can ask what to do. So, yun.
Sir Roy,
Importante.
thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Sir Buddy, thank you ha.
Apo.
Oo. Sa sunod, sa farm naman tayo. Or dito sa factory.
Sa factory, sir. Gusto ko makita din yung factory.
So, yan, Sir Buddy.
Nagre-ready muna ako, sandali lang po.
Mangihi ka?
Hindi, kinakabahan po eh. Opo, sandali lang po.
Huwag kang mag-prepare kasi
Opo.
pag nag-prepare ka,
Okay.
lalo kang kakabahan.
Ano dun sa strip? Yun ang ito eh. One of our company ba there? Agree kami kami. Yes! Ito, agri-business how it works? Meron. Sorry, pasensya na. Talagang na-excite ako. The best. Kaya bibigyan ko siya na mag-albusa. Sabi ko parang ito yung nang-albusa sa strip na kasi balak mag-agricul, mag-culture. So, mag-agricul ako ng basis. Di ba mga content mo, more in business side.
Yeah.
The best. Sir, kung hindi na
Okay, so kasama naman natin si Sir Chris Samarita at i-discuss niya sa atin yung sinasabi ni Sir Roy kanina na nagturo sila ng mga OFW para magkaroon sila ng business
Apo.
na related to aluminum at ito nga yun yung
Alumpreneur
Institute.
Institute po.
Sir, explain mo nga sa amin.
Ayan.
Sir Chris.
Bali, good morning po sa ating lahat. Nandito po kami ngayon sa MOA Complex po. Nandito po yung Alumpreneur Institute. Bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng background po. Alumpreneur Institute po, ito po yung kauna-unahang training center sa buong Pilipinas po.
Okay.
Wherein yung mga startup companies po, kahit from zero talaga sila, ginaguide namin sila para makapag-start ng
So
business.
anybody na gustong
Opo.
pasukin to, kahit walang background.
Opo. Kahit high school graduate, kahit driver, from zero talaga po. Mga engineer, contractor, OFW, seaman. Actually, mai-share ko lang po sa inyo, nung pong pandemic, di ba marami pong nagsasarang negosyo?
Okay.
Actually, sa awat tulong ng ating Panginoon Diyos, nung pandemic, mas marami nakapagtayo ng glass and aluminum business. Bakit po? Kasi ito yung mga pinauwi na, binayaran na sila. Di ba? Nakuha na nila yung pinaka-benefits nila.
Oo.
Tapos yung mismong nakuha nilang pera, nag-iisip sila ngayon ng business
Anong
na gusto
gagawin?
nila. Kung anong gagawin. Kasi wala na, hindi na sila makakabalik.
Oo.
Hindi na sila makakasakay ng barko kasi di ba, nagbawas na mga tao. May mga aircraft mechanic din tayo na mga na-training po, mga OFW, mga seaman po, na napauwi na at wala na talagang trabaho.
Oo.
Kaya awat tulong po ng ating Panginoon Diyos, yung Alumpreneur Institute po, binuksan yung pintuan para na sa ganun makatulong tayo sa mga OFW na nawala ng trabaho, na pauwi, sa mga seaman po na napagod na ring magbarko.
Ayan.
At
oo.
gusto
Marami
nila,
yun,
opo,
marami
sobra,
yun. Oo.
sobra po. Kasi may mga pagkakataon, pagka nasa barko sila, may pera sila.
Oo.
Pero kapag yung nasa lupa na, puro palabas na.
Puro
Kaya
palabas.
sila mismo, gusto naming i-guide na yung mismong kinikita nila, dapat merong basket
Oo.
na paglagyan. Kasi ang hirap. May pera ka nga, saan mo naman siya dadalhin?
Oo.
Kaya ito, gusto namin, sinasamantala ko rin po yung pagkakataon. Ini-invite ko, i-double check nyo muna yung business namin. May mga free training naman po kami sa Balagtas, Bulacan. May mga free orientation kami, meron kami mga plant tour po. Gina-guide namin. Tignan nyo muna kung maganda talaga yung business.
Oo.
Kasi nandito naman po, willing naman po kami na i-assist namin kayo. At hindi lang basta yung sinabi na-create, na-build, pati yung sustainability. Ang gusto
Yun ang
namin,
importante,
Oo,
sustainability.
kasi syempre, na-training namin kayo. O saan namin kayo dadalhin? Gusto namin, magtagal kayo sa ganitong negosyo at matulungan din namin kayo sa mga project. Actually, full support namin yan. At awa ng ating Panginoon Diyos, kung talagang ma-accredited na tayo sa TESDA po.
Ah, okay.
Magsusupply tayo sa ibang bansa. 24 countries po yan.
Yeah.
Ang target namin, 28,000 skilled workers. Kauna-unahan po yan sa buong Pilipinas po.
Okay, Sir
Apo.
Chris, ilan na ang na-training mo?
Almost 700 na po, successful entrepreneur po. At hindi lang po yun, kami rin po yung naghahatid ng mga free signage. Tapos sa mga supply po, kung pwede namin silang tulungan, ginaguide din po namin sila po. Kasi,
So itong 700 na to, more or less nagkaroon na ng negosyo?
yes. Yan yung mga home-based businesses po. Kasi dito, hindi namin kayo papersign, magtayo ka kagad ng business. Hindi. Sabi ko, i-double check mo muna kung maganda talaga yung negosyo. Di, sa bahay ka muna. Ngayon, pagka naramdaman mo talaga, o di, tsaka ka mag-invest talaga na kumuha ka talaga ng pwesto para na sa gano'n. Kasi mahalaga lang talaga dito, makapagsimula tayo. From maliit na puhunan, makapag-start tayo ng business po.
Okay,
Yun po
sir,
talaga.
gaano kaliit yung maliit?
Yung 20 to 50,000 po.
Talaga?
Opo. Kasi dito, mga drills, kahit wag na muna bumili ng mga punchers po. Actually kasi, pagka bumili po kayo dun sa warehouse namin, dito sa Balagtas, Bulacan po, pagka dun nyo po binili yung mga aluminum profile, pwede ka nang makapag-cut doon at pwede ka nang makapag-punch doon. Kaya ang gagawin mo lang, more on assembly ka na lang, sealant ka na lang, then installation
Doon
po.
mo na lang ipapakat
Opo.
yung kailangan
Opo.
mo. So pwedeng order, tapos kukunin mo yung order mo, ipapakat mo na.
Opo, tapos kayo na lang
Assemble.
mag-install po. Opo.
Install na lang.
Opo, i-install na lang po. Kaya yun po. Tsaka ang gusto talaga namin, makatulong tayo sa maraming Pilipino na talagang nawalan po ng trabaho po.
Okay,
Apo.
Sir Chris.
Apo.
Thank you so much.
Apo. Sige, salamat sir. God bless po.
Apo. Alright, so pati mga modular cabinets para sa bahay, pwede rin yung aluminum. Ito na yung mga bago ngayon na ginagamit. Hello, sir. Ganda.
Tapos aluminum na rin.
Aluminum din, no?
Hindi na po siya aanayin.
Ayan, oh. Pa?
Sa vlog.
Apa?
Vlogger, si Sarah.
Agribusiness. Ano po?
Vlogger. Napapanood natin sa mga farm.
Ah, yes po, yes po.
Picture tayo.
Sige, sir.
Kasi napanood namin guys sa mga vlog yung yung sa mga farm.
Yes po.
Tapos si Mayor naging Mayor din sa San Fernando.
Ah, yun po, si Mayor Hizon.
Oo, si
Ano
Mayor
po?
Rizal. Yeah.
Oy, sobra naman. Saan po kayo sa
kami
Bataan, sir?
Balaan.
Sa
Ah,
Pilar.
kila Mayor
Garcia.
Garcia. Opo. Lagi ako doon, dami kong ginagawang picture stories doon sa Bataan. Sir, thank you so much po.
Sir, pinapanood namin yung
Ma'am, thank you. Ano mo ba kayo? Contractor? Or...
Ay, ano po kami, supplier nila sa Bataan.
supplier nila sa Bataan. Kakilala ko kagad eh. Kakilala ko na kagad.
Lagi kasama yun yung kasama niya.
Apa. Si Sophia, yung daughter ko.
Yung huling nila sa farm ng mga mayor.
Pinipicture
Oo,
niya.
maganda. Kaya wala ko kami ganun kalaking farm.
Bili mo na kasi, sir. Bili mo na kasi. Sige po, Sir Ma'am. Sir, anong name niyo, sir?
Edgar po.
Sir Edgar. Apo.
This is si Annalise.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Oh, see? Idol, sabi ko sa'yo, sikat na talaga eh. Partner, kasi akala niyo hindi na sikat eh. Hindi sikat. Sikat na sikat. Kilala ka, Sir Bobby, kahit saan ka.
Kung nag-start kami nung Agri, ilang episode yung
Pinanood niya.
Yes.
Siguro more than 100.
Kumba. 100 times 1 million euro times 1 million. 100 billion na rin.
Una, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat-lahat na nandito, sa mga partners namin, sa kaibigan, sa family, for the unending support since we started this program. I mean, yung One Sky group of companies na nandito ngayon. So actually, where's my partner? Is this si Sir Ansam? That's my partner. Okay. So thank you very much sa lahat ng suporta nyo. Kung wala yung team, wala yung mga managers, supervisors, everyone, lahat ng tao ng One Sky Group, we have more than 800 people if we will combine it. So thank you so much sa lahat ng mga family namin na nag-iintindi kahit wala kami sa bahay. We are working hard.
Available na po ang Agribusiness merch sa Shopee. Ang link nasa description box. Agribusiness, how it works. Instruct, inspire, succeed.